In this video, you will see tips in promoting awareness and safety during emergency. Emergency planning helps prevent an emergency from becoming a disaster. Learn what you can do to keep your family safe in the event of an emergency. Step 1. Make a plan. In an emergency, your family may not be together or you may be asked to evacuate your home. Thinking about what you would do in different situations or preparing a plan with every member of your family is the first step to being prepared. Your plan should include a family communications plan. During an emergency, it may be easier to reach someone using text messaging or social media or to make a long distance call. An evacuation plan. Select two safe locations you could go to. Step 2. Build an emergency survival kit. Your emergency survival kit should have everything you and your family would need to be safe and take care of yourselves for at least 3 days immediately following an emergency. Inside your kit are canned goods, water, medicine, flashlight, radio, first aid kit, batteries, extra clothes, and toiletries. Step number 3. Be informed. To be informed, you should stay tuned to local news channels or listen to a radio. Always remember, when it comes to an emergency, make a plan, be prepared, and be informed.